Welcome to Economics and Financial Foresight Strategies. Today, we are going to deep dive into UAE exit from OPEC and OPEC Plus. What is behind the decision? Imagine a cartel that dictated global oil prices for decades, suddenly cracking at its core. The UAE, OPEC's seventh largest producer, just walk out effectively by May 1st, 2026. Why and what chaos follows? Let's break it down. First, OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, born in 1960 from Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela. It unites 12 nations to coordinate unity petroleum policies. By setting production quotas, OPEC stabilized prices, ensuring member profit amid market swing. It controls about 40% of global supply. Enter OPEC Plus in 2016. Oil prices crashed from oversupply, so OPEC allied with 10 non-members Russia, Kazakhstan, Oman and others, forming a 22-nation bloc with 80% of reserve. Headquartered in Vienna, OPEC Plus ramp up cut during crisis like 2022-25, extension post-COVID and weak demand. Its supergroup wielding unmatched market muscle. The UAE's exit isn't impulsive. Quotas cap them at 3 to 3.5 million barrels per day, choking ADNOC's 5 million barrels per day. Ambition backed by $132 billion investment. The 2021 quota battle nearly splintered OPEC, exposing Saudi dominance. UAE recent Sohail Al-Mazroui called it is a policy-driven evolution, but it's rebellion against lost revenue. Beneath a Saudi-UAE Cold War, from Yemen airstrike on UAE-backed forces of diverging vision, UAE strategic autonomy doctrine seen in Abraham Accord and diversification reject cartel chain, Iran war disruption and Hormuz and uneven compliances sealed it. UAE eyes peak demand and global growth over oil prices tether. Economically, OPEC loses key spare capacity, risking oversupply as UAE ramp up. Prices may dip short term, hitting Saudi budget hardest amid their Vision 2030 strain. Russia in OPEC Plus faces dilution. Importers like India cheer cheaper crude. US wealth fund cushions them, trying economy more to grow than oil prices. Long-term volatile market test cartel relevance. Geopolitically, it's death knell signal. OPEC phrase after Qatar Angola exit. UAE's out amplifies Saudi isolation. UAE causes to Washington for cover countering Saudi, Russia, Iran acts. Gulf tension rise, Iran antics, align Abu Dhabi. Globally it fragment energy power, pushing producers toward bilateral deal and renewable race. India saves 50 billion per year on import. Your fuel bill dropped 50%, but the chaos reigns. US shale boom, EV accelerate, OPEC revenue crater 40%. Saudi's Vision 2030 stall, Riyadh begged Beijing for bailout. UAE thrives on volume. ADNOC hit 6 million barrel per day, funds AI hub. Gulf fracture, Yemen reignite, Hormuz chokes. 20% of shipping, Saudi UAE proxy war flare. Washington back, Abu Dhabi with arm, China hoard cheap crude, India join Quad energy pact, Russia dump OPEC Plus. For discounted India deal, Delhi's refinery hum. Non-OPEC surges, Brazil, Guyana, flood market. Cartel dies, bilateral deal rule. UAE pioneer oil 2.0, green hydrogen from excess capacity, global prices stabilize at $60. But power shift to consumer. OPEC scramble for cohesion. Saudi may cut deeper or core Brazil. UAE thrives independently, but unity erosion invite non-OPEC flood from US shale, Brazil oils, King era wins. UAE bold exit redefine energy chase from quota prisoner to market maverick. Watch prices plunge. UAE didn't quit OPEC, they killed it. What if end of oil cartel era? India win big, but volatility bite. The future isn't price black gold. It forged in a bold exit. What is your bet?